Are you looking for the best trampolines? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best trampolines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Upper Bounce Rectangular Trampoline. The rectangular trampoline from Upper Bounce is a good addition to any backyard or playroom. The compact size and easy disassembly and reassembly make this a good choice for any customer who does not have a permanent space for a trampoline or will be moving their trampoline to different locations between uses. The Upper Bounce rectangular trampoline carries an impressive 500 pounds weight limit, making it suitable for jumpers of all sizes. It also includes a high-quality safety pad that covers the metal frame and the springs. Specs. Available sizes: 8 by 14 feet, 9x 15 feet, 10 by 17 feet. Frame height, without net enclosure 2.9 feet. Trampoline total height, with net enclosure 8.8 feet. Maximum weight capacity, 500 pounds. Safety factor. Number 2. Skywalker Mini Trampoline. Creating a totally safe environment for bouncing, the Skywalker Mini Trampoline with included safety net allows a child to jump up and down with no fear of falling off the trampoline or getting a foot stuck in the area between the frame and the mat. Skywalker Trampolines is one of the most popular manufacturers of backyard trampolines, and parents will be happy to know that the same quality parts and manufacturing can be found in their models for children. We were most impressed by the padded circular balance bar, allowing little jumpers to face in any direction while holding on. Parents will also love that this trampoline uses stretch bands instead of potentially dangerous metal springs. This trampoline is a great addition to any playroom, complete with colorful images on the jump mat. The Skywalker Mini is available in a wide range of sizes and also comes with a 3-year warranty on the frame and 1 year of coverage on all other included materials. Specs. Available sizes: 40-inch, 48 and 60. Frame height, without net enclosure net is not removable. Trampoline total height, with net enclosure 57-inch, 59 depending on size. Maximum weight capacity, 100 pounds. Safety factor. Metal springs are the most common culprit of injuries for children jumping on trampolines. By replacing the springs with stretch bands, the chances of this trampoline causing injuries is greatly reduced. Number 3. Little Tikes Trampoline. Exclusively sold on Amazon, the Little Tikes Trampoline is a great, inexpensive addition to any playroom. Parents will instantly recognize the simple, quality construction that they have come to expect from Little Tikes toys. With a 3-foot diameter, this trampoline is designed for use for children between 3 and 6 years old. There is a weight limit of 55 pounds, and only one child can use the trampoline at a time. Setting up the Little Tikes trampoline is a breeze, as the unit comes nearly fully assembled and only needs to be unfolded and have a few parts screwed in. Parents reported to us that it took less than 15 minutes to prepare the trampoline for play for the first time. The lack of a net enclosure means that most parents will want to supervise their children while using the trampoline. Thankfully, however, the Little Tikes trampoline sits very low to the ground, so children who fall off are unlikely to injure themselves provided there is proper clearance around the trampoline. The padded balance bar also helps keep little ones bouncing safely. Specs. Available sizes: 36-inch diameter. Frame height, without net enclosure 26.25-inch to the handlebar. Trampoline total height, with net enclosure there is no net enclosure. Maximum weight capacity, 55 pounds. Safety factor. Because there is no enclosure, children who lose control while bouncing may fall off the trampoline. Some parents also reported to us that the safety mat covering the springs also comes off easily. Number 4. BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline. The BCAN Foldable Mini Trampoline is a high-quality piece of equipment suitable for indoor and outdoor use. At 330 pounds, this model has a higher weight limit than any of the rebounders we looked at. The only included accessory is the balance bar with an adjustable foam handle. This rebounder is the best choice we found for outdoor workouts in any condition. The jumping mat features a waterproof, anti-slide rubber coating allowing users to keep their footing, even when the mat gets wet. This also means that this trampoline can be left outside between uses with no concerns about damaging the trampoline. Specs. Available sizes: 40-inch diameter with adjustable handlebar from 39.5, 49.5. Frame height, without net enclosure 7.5 inch. Maximum weight capacity, 330 pounds. Foldable size, 30 inches by 15 inches. Safety factor. The closed design of the steel springs do a great job of shielding users from the sharp ends of the springs after a misstep. Number 5. Best Gymnastics Trampoline, ACON Air 16 Sport HD. The ACON Air 16 Sport HD is a professional quality trampoline. With a galvanized steel frame and 140 heavy-duty springs, this model is the perfect choice for advanced trampoline users. This was the most powerful trampoline we reviewed, and even just jumping straight up and down on it is quite an experience. We were impressed by the engineering of the Air 16 Sport HD. By using what ACON calls synergy design and the jump mat to deliver the optimal load to each spring, this trampoline delivers the biggest bounce of any we reviewed. The heavy-duty frame moves very little during use and the safety net is sturdy enough to catch even the most out-of-control jumper. Of all the trampolines we reviewed, the Air 16 Sport HD felt like the most serious piece of sporting equipment we found. If we were training for the Olympics, this is the trampoline we would pick. Specs. Available sizes, 10 by 17 feet. Frame height, without net enclosure 3.3 feet. Trampoline total height, with net enclosure 10.5 feet. Maximum weight capacity, 800 pounds. Safety factor. While this trampoline is not particularly safe for use without the included safety net, it is safe for even very young children with the net up. Especially for bigger jumpers, there is an additional risk of injury that comes with the additional jump height.